Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to change language in Google Chrome. So guys, to change language in your Chrome browser, so firstly open Google Chrome. Now guys, in here click on these three dots, then settings. Now click on advanced and here you will see language option. Click on it. Here you will see a list of languages which you installed before, like English US and English UK. If you want to set English US, so turn on and click on it. And you want to add another language, so click here and add a language. You will see a list of languages. Select it, then add. Now this new language, click on this three dot and you want to display, so check this box. But before you want to display, move to the top. Now click on this three dot and select it and your current language, so move down and again click here. Still it's not working, so select another language and check this box. Now your browser will display in that particular language. So just you have to relaunch your Chrome browser. So like this guys, you can change your language in Google Chrome browser. Click on add and select any language, then add, and here click on this three dot and select display Google Chrome in this language and also offer to translate pages in this language. Now relaunch and you want to back in English, so click here and display. So thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.